Installing blade handles on KOHLER Levity bath and shower doors. This animation is intended as a supplement. A video showing the installation of the Levity doors is also available. The handles should be installed on the outside area of each door panel, closest to the wall. Do not install the handles to the middle of the door panels. Before installing the handles, close both door panels with the inside panel closest to the shower head. This is the proper orientation of the door panels. For this installation segment, you will need a measuring tape, painter's tape, and a pencil. The height of your handle depends on whether you have a bath or shower door. For bath doors, use tape and a pencil to make a mark 21 inches up from the bath ledge. For shower doors, make a mark 37.5 inches up from the shower ledge. Use an alcohol wipe to clean the handle installation area on both sides of the door panel. Align the top of the template with the mark you made earlier and wrap the template around the door panel. Tape the template in place. Before proceeding, ensure that the slots on the template are aligned with each other and the template is straight. If needed, adjust and retape the template. Caution: risk of product damage. Ensure handles are properly aligned before installing. Handles cannot be removed once installed. Remove the adhesive strip from one of the handles. Carefully align the bottom of the handle with the bottom of the slot in the template. Then press the handle firmly into place. Carefully align a second handle across from the first handle. Then press the handle firmly into place. Remove the template and tape from the door panel. Repeat the process to install the handles on the other door panel.